Hey you guys, this video is going to be on distributive property and basically just multiplication altogether. So distributive property and then using area models to do multiplication as well. So whenever we just have one term and then being multiplied by a couple terms or multiple terms, that's where we can just use distributive property. If you want to make an area model, you can. It's just not completely necessary. So basically all I have to make sure I'm doing is taking this front term times both terms on the inside. So the first thing I'll do is 2x times 3x. So 2 times 3 is 6, and x times x is x squared. And then I just have to take 2x times negative 4. So 2x times negative 4 would be negative 8x. And that's your answer. So your answer to this multiplication problem would be 6x squared minus 8x. All right. Number 2, similar example here with distributive property. So I'm going to start off by taking 3x squared times negative 2x. So again, just do it with the numbers and the variables. So 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. And then x squared times x is x to the third. So remember, when we're multiplying terms that have the same base, this is really like x to the first, and we can add their exponents. So x to the 2 plus 1, that's where we're getting the x to the third. And then I have to take 3x squared times 4y. So 3 times 4 is positive 12. And then x squared times y, we can't really combine that at all, so we just have to say x squared y. And that would be the answer for number 2. And then the third one, so the reason that this is different and we can't just draw the arrows is because we have 2 terms in each of these expressions that we're multiplying. So the area model just helps us make sure that we're multiplying every single term from each of these by one another. So since each of these are 2 terms, I'm going to make a 2 by 2 area model. And then it doesn't matter which side you put these on, so I'm just going to put x minus 4 here, and then I'm going to put 3x plus 2 down here. Okay, so this could have gone up here or over here, it doesn't matter. And now you just have to go through and multiply each individual box. So 3x times x is going to give me this box right here. So that is 3x squared. 3x times negative 4 is negative 12x. X times 2 is 2x, and then 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. So you're just looking at one term at a time on each side, and then those multiply to get each individual box. And now my answer, I just have to rewrite it so that it's not still in the box. So I'm going to write 3x squared, and then negative 12x and 2x, those are like terms because they each have an x, so we can combine those. So negative 12 plus 2 would be negative 10x. And then minus 8. Okay, now you also might see some problems that ask you to write the area as a product and as a sum. This would be area as a product because product means multiplication. So essentially, this is like length times width. Okay, and then this one is area as a sum. So sum means addition. So basically the area with all of the little parts added up together. So if you see that on a problem, that's what they're referring to. Basically the area as length times width, and then the area is all of the little pieces added up together.